Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss study smart, not hard. In this topic, we will discuss how to study smart and also discuss scientifically proven tips to study smart, not hard. The first tip is that learn the same information in a variety of ways. Whenever you take a lecture, after attending a class or taking a lecture, you should read the textbook. Textbook provide you the exact information. After reading the textbook, you should read the class notes which you have made during lecture. After that, create a mind map. What you have learned from your textbook and class notes, you have to arrange them in the form of a mind map. After that, teach someone what you have learned. In this way, you are sending information again and again to specific part of your brain. After that, write in your own words. What have you learned? Write in your own words. By writing indirectly, you are saving the information in your memory. And remember, always take notes by hand instead of using your laptop. The next step is environment, regularity, and punctuality. Our body act rhythmically. If you look at your routine, your eating, your sleeping, everything is rhythmical. So that you have to choose a place to sit for study when you are doing self study. That place should be airy, comfortable, and noise free. Make a timetable, a schedule, and observe the same timing. During study, avoid social media. Turn off notifications on your phone, put your phone away, or turn it. The next step is manage your stress. Stress is a major hurdle in the success of students. You have to know how to manage stress. First of all, write down your worries. Mostly the worries are, will I do well on this exam? What if I forget the key concept and questions? What if the exam is harder than expectations? These kind of thoughts probably run through your head before you take an exam. But if these thoughts run wild, the anxiety can affect your grades. So, write your worries. By writing, you are actually reducing pressure on your brain. And now your brain will be relaxed and thinking about solution. Whenever you stress, do self-talk. But that self-talk should be positive, not negative. Self-talk help you to come out from that state of anxiety or stress. Laugh therapy or spend some time with a good friend. Laugh therapy, when you laugh, you take in more oxygen, your heart, lungs, and muscles get a boost, and your body release those feel good hormones. Laughter also improve your immune system, less pain, and improve your mood for long period time. Rebuild your relation with nature. That will refresh your mind and improve its memory by observation. Healthy body, healthy mind. Always eat healthy food. Avoid junk food. Students should eat chicken and egg. Why? Because chicken and egg contain choline. Choline is the precursor to acetylcholine, which is essential for the formation of new memory. Chicken and eggs are high in choline. They contain 90% of the total choline. Just in case you are worried about the high cholesterol content of egg yolk, you can breathe a sigh of relief. Recent studies show that egg, including the yolk, are a healthy food for almost everyone. And if you are a vegetarian, there are alternatives to getting choline in your diet like lentils, sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, almond, cabbage. Eat omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are critical for brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce anxiety in students and improve their mental concentration. Omega-3 fatty acids are linked to the prevention of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, osteoporosis, depression. Source of omega-3: fish is the primary source for omega-3 like salmon, mackerel, trout. The other source for omega-3: flaxseed and pumpkin seed. Stay hydrated. Dehydration even causes the gray matter in your brain to shrink. So drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Exercise at least 3 times a week. Exercise is good for your body. It's also very good for your brain. Helps to prevent diseases like diabetes, cancer, and osteoporosis. Enhance your sleep quality, reduce stress, improve your mood. So, to study smart, exercise at least 3 times a week for 30 to 45 minutes. There are some golden tips. Don't multitask. The data is conclusive. Multitasking make you less productive, more distracted and dumber. Effective students focus on just one thing at a time. So don't try to study while also intermittently replying to text messages, watching TV, and checking your Twitter feed. Keep revising, review the information periodically instead of cramming. Test yourself frequently. Decades of research has shown that self-testing is crucial if you want to improve your academic performance. With that, we have completed our topic. Thank you for watching.